Hello, 09 James here. I'm doing a review of my 8-inch 5-speed drill press from Century Machinery. Got from Harbor Freight about 8 months, going on 9 months now. I got it on coupon, which was $54. Here's the press motor, and I got the check key tied to a leather strap on there. And up here's the spindles, the fan belt. On this one, I actually had to pull the pulley off this side because it was making a loud noise, not rubbing, but making a real awkward noise when it was operating. So I pulled this whole thing off and punched out the hole using a pulley, and then I greased the inside of the bearings that were underneath for the whole spindle. And there's a snap ring to it with a little plastic cap that holds the grease in there, and I just put some wheel bearing grease in there, packed it in real good, put the snap ring back on over the plastic cover protector, and I pushed this down. This was up a little bit higher and was rubbing, and that's where it was chewing up the belt a little bit on some areas, and I had a little bit of debris from my last cleanup here from when I cleaned it out. But yeah, then you just I just pushed it down a little bit further, and the way the belt is about level with the back spindle pulley. And that made a difference in the sound. Before, it was making a really rough noise. It comes with the light, but the light is not too bright because of the kind of dull look. The depth gauge on this I really don't use, and I had broken the piece for it. It's plastic, and I just super glue a piece of plastic on the bottom of it to give it some rigidity. And I made a mount for it. I had to bolt it to this 1/4-inch plate here, and custom made stand out of a brake rotor and a 1-inch steel scrap. And then I also made these little drill bit holders using some old channel angle iron, and I got them on both sides for my drill bits here. One of my first ever projects I made was adding those little adapters for it. But I like this drill. I'm planning to get a different one because when I use the bigger bits, it spins too fast for good cutting. I've been dulling up my bits. And this here retracts. You can adjust the level on it, and you just tighten it up back here like that. Well, I've had this for a while now. I just use the drill hoses for my homemade hinges. It's plugged in right there to my outlet. So that's my little 8-month review. I'm not drilling any holes, A lot of people do that, so I just wanted to give a little update that you do have to repack the grease in this spindle here for the drill chuck, because the grease tends to be overused and loses its smoothness. Well, that's just my little review here. Thank you. Bye.